Hi there, welcome to day 10 of the 12 days of JavaScript. So we're nearing the end now of this beginner coding challenge series. But yeah, we thought we'd have a quick one today. So here we've got the problem statement, which again, as always, you can collect this in the GitHub repo below for day 10. And I'll be going through the solution, which is also in the repository, if you just want to check that out straight away, how I've done it. Otherwise, yeah, feel free to pause the video and give it a go to yourself now. And yeah, be interested to see sort of what you come up with. So if you do come up with a different solution or even sort of a better one, let me know in the comments below. I always like to see those. So yeah, this one, we want to write a function called inRange, which takes in a min, max, and n number. So these are three numbers as arguments. The function should return a boolean indicating if n is between the min and the max numbers, and that's inclusive. So just as an example here, I'm just logging out inRange, passing in our three numbers. So min is 5, max is 13, and then our number is 8. So because 8 is within 5 to 13, that's true. So we'd want to evaluate this and just return true from this function. And then, so for the false, or what would we want to return false for would be, again, 5 and 13, but our target number n is 29, so it's outside of the range, so we return false. And these are just two other examples, but as you can see here, we've got 100, 125, and then 100. And because 100 is within the 100 and 125, because it's inclusive, so because it's 100, we return true, but 99, as you can see, would be false. So yeah, I'm going to go about coding this now. So I think, again, we can do this on one line like some of the others. So we will just return, and what we need to do is essentially two calculations. We need to check if n is greater than or equal to min, but we also want to check if n is less than or equal to max. So we're going to do double ampersand to check obviously the min on the left hand side, and then we want to do n greater than or equal to, sorry, put a space there, equal to max. And this will evaluate as a boolean because we're doing a check, basically. We're saying, is this true? And if yes, is this true? And then return true. But if either one of these are false, the whole equation will evaluate to false, and that's what it will return. So let me run this, and let's just see if we're correct. So we're getting true, false, yeah, which looks good to me. So that's the quickest way I came up with. You could do, sort of if statements and some checks as well. Or you could just put this in an if statement and return true or false. You could even do ternary operators. So like this, for example, so true, else false. But there's really no need because this evaluates to true or false. It's kind of, believe it's called an implicit return. So we're just, evaluating this and returning the result, which is a boolean value. So yeah, that is today's exercise. As I said, let me know if you came up with a different solution to this, or sort of a more performant one. I'm not too sure. It seems pretty simple on one line there, but yeah, anyway, have fun with it, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video.